Hello everybody, welcome to Take It Easy, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can apply a tempered glass on your smartphone. It can be any smartphone, but how you can apply it perfectly without any bubbles or without blocking any screen real estate or without any imperfections. So whatever smartphone you are using, if you follow these steps, you can basically do it on your own without any issues. So let's get started. So guys, I have my Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 with me, and this is a good quality tempered glass from Gorilla Armor. So some features are mentioned here. If you are interested, you can check it out. So guys, if you end up liking this video, please hit the like button. It helps a lot. And if you are not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. It's free. I will put some links for some good quality tempered glasses for different smartphone models. If you are interested, you can check the video description and the top pinned comment. So now let's install this tempered glass on this smartphone. So at first we get two wipes inside the box. One of them is a wet wipe and the other one is a dry wipe. We can use these two wipes to clean the screen before applying the tempered glass. So now let's take a look at the main tempered glass. So this is the tempered glass, as you can see, and it looks good. So now let's install it. One more thing I would like to tell you, the perfect place to apply a tempered glass is a dust-free room. Basically, it is virtually impossible to have a room completely dust-free, but make sure you take your tempered glass for the application on your smartphone to somewhere where the dust particles are as low as possible. So at first I need to clean the screen of my smartphone. For that, you have to use the wet wipe first. The liquid is probably isopropyl alcohol or something like that, which will not damage your phone. So clean the screen thoroughly with the wet wipe. Now let's clean it up further with the dry wipe. Let's clean it up. Let's clean any remaining dust particles. So now, as you can see, the screen is completely clean. So now if you are very much confident and you think you can apply the tempered glass with perfection, you can align it perfectly with your screen, you can just peel the sticker off and align it perfectly, then start applying. But I am going to show you another method, and if you follow the method, the chances of making any mistake will be almost zero. So with this method, you need to use some tape, some kind of tape. If you can use some clear tape, that will be better, but I don't have any clear tape with me right now, so I'm using this tape. And you need a pair of scissors to cut the tape, or you can also work with a knife if you are willing. So at first, put your phone face down like this, and now we are going to attach three small pieces of tape with the smartphone. So now we have applied three small pieces of tape on the smartphone, on the back of the smartphone, and now turn it over like this. If you directly apply it without following this method, then there are chances of making mistakes. And if you make a mistake, you cannot just go back and correct your mistake. But with this method, you can basically perfectly align the tempered glass with your phone screen and then attach the tape and fix it in position before actually applying it. Open anything on your screen that is completely white, which will make your phone screen completely white, and also increase the brightness to its 100% level. So as you can see, now you should be able to see through the translucent back protector sticker of the tempered glass that is applied. So now you can align the tempered glass with 100% confidence. So make sure you hold the screen in place with your other hand while aligning it, and keep holding the screen even after aligning so that the screen cannot slide away from its intended position. So after aligning, hold the screen carefully and lock it in its place with the tapes. Slowly apply the tapes. Just do it slowly, don't rush. And now you should clean the screen for any remaining dust particles that might have fallen on the screen during this process. Just use the dry wipe to clean up the screen further before actually applying the tempered glass. So guys, make sure you are doing it in some place where the dust particles are as low as possible. Make sure the place is not windy and there are no fans running. So when you think the screen is completely clean, you need to remove the sticker from the back of the tempered glass. Slowly push the tempered glass towards the other way and now start applying. And now with any flat plastic tool, you can just push the bubbles towards the edge of the screen and they will just go away. Now let's do that. And now you should remove the tapes. So now we can start working on this side of the screen. So before actually showing the result, let me just clean the screen. So as you can see, the application is perfect. So this is the way how you can apply a tempered glass on your smartphone screen perfectly. And no part of the screen has been blocked by the tempered glass. As you can see, it is perfect. There are zero air bubbles, as you can see. If you want to buy a good quality tempered glass for your smartphone, check out the links in the video description and the top pinned comment. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. It inspires me a lot. If you have any questions or suggestions, just post it in the comment section below. If you love the video, if you love my work, please share the video with your friends and family. And if you are not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. It's free. So that's it for this video. Have a great time. Bye, and I will see you in the next video.